Okay, guys, just done a trade on EURUSD. I'm going to play out the whole thing for you. I'm introducing the video slightly different to what I normally do, because normally I'm talking as I'm doing it, but I was actually in the middle of something when I needed to go to camera, and you'll see that in just a second. So bear with it. It is bitty, but you'll get the gist of it. And also, well, let's just see if we won the or I won the argument at the end of it. Okay, guys, I'm going to go to market pretty much right now for 4 pips. We're in the market, so let me flick this over. I'm just going to let this run a little bit, and I'll come back to you when the trade is done and tell you what I'm doing, because I need to finish a couple of things for the guys in the Discord. So just watch it for just a second. Okay, guys, sorry. I've just come off the back of a live meeting with the guys, because I go live with them pretty much every working day, and in it we were discussing Kylie's, and we were discussing this particular trade that we're looking at right now. Now, what I also do is I do a quick video for them. I break it down as I'm doing, and I had to do a write-up so they could see what I was getting at, and also for you guys that's public. Now, if you look at, say, this, which is the WhatsApp group, I actually tell you what's going on, and this is a recap of what we were doing in the live call, and then I'll post the videos as you can see in here. So this is free. You can drop down into the description and pick up the link for that. Now, what I've also done is this, because I needed to get this up for them quick. So it's exactly, this is an expanded version of that thing that you saw on WhatsApp, where I'm telling you exactly what it is that I'm doing. The guys sound like they're all coming in. Yeah, anytime, little fella, anytime. But if we take it down into the clinic, I got that up straight away so they can see that I'm not doing a day trade, but if I was going to go for it, it's a scalp. Now, I'll explain that scalp to you in just a second. And then down on the tracker, I needed to get this video up as quick as I can. And what that is, this is a follow-on from the pre-analysis. So this is the markup, a rough idea of what I think the market's up to. Now, I did that at 20 to 8 this morning for this trade coming in at 9 o'clock. And now from 9 o'clock onwards, we'll move forward. And there it is there. So it's all nice. They can kind of see what's going on, how I've built the trade, why I've built the trade, etc. Okay, so that's what I was doing. And I have to get that in first. I really do. Why? Everything's live. You know, everything I do here is live. So the premise of this trade, this is on an hour. So if I drop this down into 5 minutes so we can have a little look at it, we're looking for the breach of this section, which has come in. Now, I'm quite happy to let the market run down to here and then come back. Now, the initial burst will be about 4 pips, okay? So, boom, boom, boom. So that's the upper target. Anything I can get down here, the better. And the more I get in, the bigger the prize, okay? But the initial trade is a scalp, so I'm not going to hang about. I'll get in, I'll get out relatively quick over the course of the next hour, and that'll be it. Now, why would I be scalping this? Well, let's go back to the owl and we'll have a look. So what we see is it's pushed up heavily, collapsed, and it's stayed in its lane. It's kind of went down, but it's pushed down incredibly hard over the sort of night time. Boom, 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 boom. Flushed out, went straight to this level, and then aggressively moved higher. which is here. So if that's the case, has this... Oh, got the coffee, boys and girls. She's good, you know. Right? You are. What do you want?
Nothing.
Well, you're not getting the blind. Right?
I'm like already up.
She was going on ridiculous about a blind yesterday. Jesus Christ. And she even had a bloody cushion at the kitchen window. Going, do you think this matches? I'm going with the cushions from the living room, you daft bint. You know. She's going, yeah, but it's Laura Ashley. I don't give a toss if it was freaking Leslie Ash with her knickers off. Right?
No, I said it matched the others.
So?
Well, yeah, it has to match, didn't it?
Well, no. One's a kitchen, one's a living room.
You're talking about you again. Blind.
Well, I told her to fuck off. I wasn't paying for it. Not that I'm tight, boys and girls, but I just think 500 quid to supply and fit some fucking blinds is a bit much, you know? And certainly when they're charging 100 quid fitting fee for friggin' 3 screws either side of the wall. Christ. Even you can do it. Well, no, you can't. Fucking hell. I better do this and pay for it. Are you wanting a blind?
What do you think?
Well, I don't know. It depends on what you do.
You knocked it all off.
You're damn right, I did.
I was saving it and you knocked it off.
I didn't. I switched your computer off.
I knocked all my thing off.
Well, that was that my fault. You shouldn't leave it running all night anyway.
I was wanting the blind.
I was wanting the blind. Well, I was wanting something else beginning with a B, but I didn't get that either. Oh. Exactly, shucks. I was devastated. You know I like Battlestar Galactica. What did you think we were talking about, boys and girls? You were right, we were. You know something? Everything's an adventure in this house at times. So, what was everything on? Have the freeloaders fucked off yet? What?
I forgot what you were doing.
Well, I know, but you distract me on a regular basis.
Is that right?
Well, I'd already pressed buy, so I wasn't bothered. So I can do what I like now. It's the run up to when I'm doing it's when you're a pain in the arse.
All right.
Right? But once I've pressed it, and it's fine, you can rattle on all you want. And then when it's time to get out, I just ignore you.
You ignore us anyway. The odd grunt.
The odd grunt. No, we're talking about work, not Saturday night. Right? So, what we're talking about again, boys and girls?
My blind.
You're not getting a fucking blind, all right? You can have a blind, but I'm not spending 500 quid on a blind for the kitchen. And do you know what the kicker is? She isn't even going to drop the blind. It's there for decorative value. Looking into our yard that nobody's there anyway, who's never going to see it. And why? Because it matches the living room curtains. Is it the curtains or the cushions? Or both?
See, that shows how much notice you take, because the curtains and the cushions are the same. They both match.
Do they? Well, so is the telly and the DVD player.
Hey, by your own admission.
I give a shit. It's a fucking pillow. Who cares about a pillow? What are they for anyway? When you go to sit down, you fucking have to throw them on the floor because they're a pain in the arse. And then when you do try and sit on them, you're told not to sit on them because you crush them. So what's the fucking point of them? What is the point of a bloody cushion? It's like on our bed, we have loads of the fucking things. And what do we do when we get into bed? Sling them off.
Oh, you're on a rant this morning.
Oh, I could have been. Should have seen the messages I had this morning. Jesus Christ, I was going to pull somebody's arsehole through their teeth. But we will not discuss the big four-armed person. Thank you for my daily insult. It was very good. It was quite articulate this morning. You spelled wanker correct. Fucking arsehole. There. So, the freeloader's fucked off yet. Okay, so this scalp, it's coming into play as we speak now. For those of you who think that you come in here just to get freebies and one thing and another, what you got to remember is this is live. What you see is what you get, you know. I can't make this chart move any faster than it does. I can only trade what I see. And the difference here is I do this in real time. I never sort of go, well, I made £30,000 yesterday because I saw this top and I held it all the way at the bottom and then I brought it back to the middle because I'm amazing when I'm doing things retrospectively. But if I asked you to do it in the moment like this, well then I lost all my money. Why? Because the rented car had to go back and that's a shame. But I haven't got a rented car because I paid for mine cash. Well, I didn't pay for it. She did. She bought it for me. She's nice. She's nice like that. And now she thinks I have to buy a blind for her. Well, do you know what? You're not getting a fucking blind. Well, tell you what. You'll like this one, boys and girls. I'm just waiting for this trade to finish. What are you going to do for me if I pay for this blind?
I'll get you coffee. I'm making you pancakes today.
Hey, I can go to Starbucks, right, and get a cup of coffee and a pancake, and it won't cost me 500 fucking quid.
It's not going to cost you 500 quid. I got 500 from. That was including yours. I'm so sorry. Right, all right then. 350 quid. What do you? What do I get for 350 quid? I don't know. A lot of Star Wars figures.
She's not giving it up, is she, boys and girls? Will you strut round with your gold bikini?
Oh, I haven't got a gold bikini anymore. I don't know.
And I got lost. We
that doll you used to drag about.
Oh yeah, we used to have a doll that we used to take on holiday with us till she murdered it.
No, I didn't.
Wait, fucking.
You left it in the sun.
Fuck off! You stabbed it.
It was in the sun on the balcony.
Fucking murdered. I think I might buy another one actually. Sexy Sharon. You'll get Sexy Sharon to sit there.
Yeah.
Well, you sit there with no clothes on. Might get some views then.
No.
Eh?
I think not.
Why not? You often do. Right. Let's play this out. I'll come to you at the end.
What was your email about them?
Which one?
Well, how many have you had?
Okay, Simon. That was done for you. Now, what we can see, it's pushed up into the key level and is starting to reject. Now, that is exactly why it was a scalp, because it only had that far to go. Now, if we drop it down, 20, didn't... Where am I at? There we are. Didn't get any tickets in. So that's that trade done. Now, it's now 9:30, so it took it about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, 20 quid, £1 a minute. I can live on £1 a minute. Can you live on £1 a minute?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'll do 300 minutes of work and you might get a fucking blind then, won't you?
Blind.
So there we go. So, happy days. Happy days, kids. Happy days. So there you go. So that was a quick scalp for Simon. It was just following on from what I was speaking with the guys. But ultimately, what you've got to remember is you trade what you see and you target effectively. The target is the key issue. Now, if I held on to that any longer, well, I might be right, but there's a high probability it'll bounce off that level and then put me in a world of pain. And then I've got to go through that pain to get back to where I originally targeted anyway. So you're better off just targeting, take the money, reset, and then go again if you want to. That would make life a bit easier for you. So there you go. If you drop down in the description, you'll see all my contact details. Very easy found. There's links to that WhatsApp group. It's free. Just lob along and you can see what's going on through the day. Because I post the videos there because YouTube don't normally tell you when they're coming out. So you'll see them, then away we go. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one. Okay, guys, a quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop. And you've got C Trader. And you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15, and then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.